Here is the setup for the hot pot. Dude, oh, I'm so excited. I love this hot pot I got. Look at it. It's so cute. Look what I got. It is a love letter I got from Australia. Oh my gosh, I smell perfume. Hold it there till it lights. You can blow on it a little bit if you want. You put it on the fuse and blow while it's on the fuse. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I dropped my shoes. All I really wanted was you. Well, on my way. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ty.
Hi, Ty. I'm Nathanielu.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, Ty's gonna pick out $100 worth of stuff for us. So there's the 150. And what I want to do today is I'm going to take these two right here, and all the rest of this I'm going to donate to either you can resell it or you can give it away to a family that looks like they don't have a lot of money. And oh, there we go. Putting in, I hope this little bowl I have is big enough. This part looks really nice. Darn it, I missed again. Darn it, I give up. Even ninja stars don't work. So I've used knives, bows and arrows, and lastly my ninja stars, and nothing seems to work. I cannot seem to catch one of those elusive butter chickens I've heard so much about in the forest. I see the wild chickens running around.
Hello, everyone. Today we're at the Pacifica Food Festival at the Tacoma Dome.
Here for me. Hi, this is the owner of Teine Tacos.
Teine Tacos here. I'm Wheeler from Fairway Independent Mortgage. I utilize my Teine Taco stand to basically give back to the youth of the community. I sponsor a bunch of the youth programs and individually for every youth that is trying to play basketball, football. We want to keep them off the street, whatever keeps them alive.
Everything that we have is culturally inspired and fused into a lot of popular things and stuff that we find important to us.
Hello, everyone. Today is Daddy-Daughter's Day, and we're going out to eat.
Oh, there's the garlic bread. They put it like in a little pizza. Go ahead, take some. Oh, yeah. Let Silhouette have one piece so she can try it.
Oh, here you go.
I can always get you more. Oh, thank you. Look at that. You give me the baby piece.
I mean, it'll help.
And there's my little chicken wings.
There we go. Enjoy, y'all.
Thank you. Oh, there's a pizza. Look. That is called the Rock Classic. It's just pepperonis, and that's. Alofa. This is the best New Zealand meat pie I have ever ate in my whole life. Oh my God. What about you, honey?
This is the only meat in New Zealand.
Is this lamb chop. All right, we washed off the Charlies. Fire's still going a little bit. It fell right off the bone. Oh my gosh. Oh, get a bowl. I forgot your oka. Thanks, honey. Mama remembered the oka. Ooh, it smells good.
Malo lava, everyone. We're out to get the best Samoan food in Seattle. I fight to fear I. Then please come with us.
Hi everyone, talofa love everyone. We're here today at Steven & Sons. How long have you been here?
More than 2 years.
More than 2 years? Awesome. And are you Steven or the son? No, I'm kidding.
169.67, my man.
Your mind's, oh my God.
Don't touch it. Yeah, it is a pineapple pie.
Thank you.
Show them. Oh. I knew she'd love that.
Wow.
That is so good. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. I want to taste everything. I'm tempted to just eat all of that right this second.
Nothing, honey. Everyone's got it.
Oh, I thought this was just for me.
I cannot see what I do. Oh my God!
What is it?
No, mine. No,
Silhouette
mine.
got it for her though.
No, that's
sure?
no, that's the jelly bun. Jelly bun. I've
Okay,
always,
jelly bun.
to rip it out.
no, I looked everywhere. No, mine.
All right, Silhouette's the only one that wanted to get out of the car with me. My wife's been here before, but Silhouette's never been here. And there's the master, Bruce Lee. November 27th, 1940 to July 20th, 1973. So he was 32 years old.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hi everyone. I'm preparing to make Silhouette panikeke. But it is cooked inside.
That's how it's supposed to be. It might look ugly, but it should taste really freaking delicious.
Cooked. I mean, I did a good job.
Why are you smiling today?
Because me and my two Puleafi friends were going to light up.
Oh, all the little kids are?
Yeah.
Awesome. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to see you and your friends. Aloha! Amen. Yeah, Talofa Lava, we are having Chinese hot pot. Silhouette, oh, look at my little kava bowl. Silhouette requested it, so we're having Korean style bulgogi, chicken breast, got some bok choy, and we got a beef broth side, and oh my gosh, look how spicy that looks.
No one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to look for the best Samoan food up in Tacoma.
They also have this spaghetti. I see you guys use this over there in New Zealand, Australia, so I'm gonna buy some of this to see if it's better than the one that we use here in the US. Let's try.
Banana rice.
Big mama. Do they have taro? I'm just filming the food, is that okay? Yeah. So of course, we are doing Samoa's favorite comfort food, but we're doing a challenge with what we always eat in the US, which is Campbell's Spaghetti, which is spaghetti in a can, versus Watis, which is from New Zealand, but also loved in Australia and probably Samoa as well. All right, let's get started. Right here is the camera. So Silhouette's going to be our mixer-upper, and she'll be our judge of fair play. So once I'm going to set this down and I'm going to turn around, she's going to mix them up. You just spin them around in the order. You can leave them the same, but make sure you at least sound like you're mixing them up, no matter what you want to do. And you have to confirm that I'm turning my back and that Mom's not looking either. Okay, go ahead. Am I watching? Am I looking? Here, we got the two things. We don't know which one's which. What? Mommy said this one she thinks is Waddies. This one you only gave a 9.52, right? Mm-hmm. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna let you guys see first. What is it? Tell us. What's it say? Oh, Mom's right. It's water.
Careful, I got an angel and devil. He steps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a burst back. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your
Hello, everyone. Today, I am trying to make like a Samoan fish stew. How do you make that? What's the recipe? I have no idea. But let me show you what I got. I am so happy today. And you know what I'm doing? I'm happy. How do I make fish stew? I have some vegetables. And I have some garlic. And some ginger. I have coconut cream, and I have some fresh salmon. But how will I make fish stew?
How you stew? Amen.
Video, here we go.
Probably not so good because I'm awkward. Mine looks delicious.
I gotta stick around though to see how Mommy acts first. Oh, she's trying the potatoes first. Okay, we're on the sidelines here. It's early in the first quarter of the game.
It's really good.
Potatoes are good. Let's try the salmon. What does she think?
It's really good.
Fish too.
as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Amen.
Amen.
Hi everyone, Tilo for Lava. So you might have saw so far we've got egg drop soup with dumplings. We have pork and vegetable. We have shrimp dumplings today. We have stir-fried rice with the eggs on top. Mangaya Foods gave me the idea to put it on top of there, and so I love this idea. And then we have the stir-fried steak with sweet bell peppers and onions. All right, here's Mommy's house plate. She's got corn, she's got rice, she's got a big chunk of ham. She got sweet potatoes, she got the turkey neck, she got mashed potatoes, more sweet potatoes. She got stuffing, got cranberry jelly, and she got turkey meat from the thigh, and also the turkey tail. There's only one thing missing. Oh, let's go. Oh, yeah. Woo! Put a little bit on her stuffing. There we go. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
All right, everyone. Here we go. Happy
Snow.
Thanksgiving.
Who cares? Shoes. Who cares? All I need is my Siva Offie. Chee-hoo!
Degrees. It's below freezing, but I'm bound and determined to have some good food on a umu today. So let's get started. Orlando. Come join me. But here's my wife's fafayao plate. She got corn, she got rice, she got potato salad. I didn't show you that. There's her pilikake salmon style. Ooh, look at that. She don't even know she's got that. And there's some ribs. And then my kids have their own plate too. And then my plate, I have a couple corns because white people love some corn. Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Happy Yule, everyone.
We're going to celebrate our ancestors. So, skull to our ancestors. To my dad, born in 1935, who died in 2011. I love you, Dad. I miss you. This is for you, Dad.
Running like a highway. She's living in a world and it's
chicken
on
over
fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away.
Slow.
Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning.
Oh yeah, voice crack. Oh yeah.
down.
It's close.
Oh, she got her head in the cloud and she's not backing down. Wait, do I?
And she not that kind of girl.
Girl is on fire.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will calm the storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod? When you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God. Oh, Mary, did you know? I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need, and I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Good job.